Is there a video where I share my entire investment portfolio? No, but I'm going to show you how you can make your own investment portfolio right now. My name is Kenneth, and I teach my 430,000 social media followers how to trade, invest, and simplify their lives. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, smash that follow. The whole concept of my channel is that you can be a self-sufficient trader and investor, so you don't have to go around asking strangers on the internet, what do you have? Can I copy your portfolio? The very first thing you're going to do is you are going to go right here and you're going to click on the menu, which is right here, and you will find all of these resources, including this Investing for Beginners course. I also have templates on ETFs, templates to compare stocks, a free resource guide with all the links that I use. By the way, there's no email for any of this. You just click on what you want and there it is. But if you really want to be a self-sufficient investor and you're new, you want to click on the course, you want to watch the 5-minute video, you can watch the whole thing, or you can scroll through and find things that are of interest to you, like how to find top stocks, how to find ETFs. The worst thing about this whole copy investing trend is that, I have Nvidia stock. I come out and I say, hey everybody, I own Nvidia stock. Someone's going to go, well, if he owns it, it's good enough for him, I'm going to buy it. But what I'm not saying is, hey, I bought Nvidia in 2022. I paid $155 per share. It's now well over $1,000 per share, but I'm not telling you that part. I'm just saying, here's what I own. So a lot of these stocks have already had their run. They've already seen massive growth. And then when I say, well, this is what I own, someone out there is going to go, well, if he owns it, I'm going to buy it. And they buy it at the top. And then a year later, they DM me and they go, hey, I bought that stock because I saw that you have that stock, but it didn't really move, or it actually went down. Why'd you recommend it? So it's just easier to avoid that whole thing. I don't recommend stocks. I don't share my portfolio. I don't share my trades. I want to teach people how to be self-sufficient. All right, thanks for watching. Hit that follow.